Linking your bank account to IBL Bank Switzerland is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth connection. Step 1. Gather required information. Before you begin, collect all necessary information such as your personal identification documents, bank account details, and any relevant financial information. Step 2. Visit the IBL Bank website. Go to the official IBL Bank Switzerland website. Look for the section dedicated to online banking or account services where you can find the option to link a bank account. Step 3. Complete the application form. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit required documents. Upload any required documents as specified by the bank. This may include proof of identity, proof of address, and your existing bank account details. Step 5. Confirm and finalize the link. After submitting your application, you may receive a confirmation email. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the linking process. It may take a few days for the bank to process your request. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to IBL Bank Switzerland. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact their customer support for assistance.